I'm going to compare HOSTSINGER and MILESWEB. HOSTSINGER and MILESWEB offer reliable web hosting services, but they cater to slightly different needs and preferences. HOSTSINGER gets a lot of praise for being affordable, fast, and easy to use. HOSTSINGER also has helpful tools like an AI website builder and 24/7 chat support. Most customers feel they get great value for the price. It offers Premium for $2.99, Business for $3.99, and Cloud Startup for $7.99. However, some mention that the renewal prices are higher than the starting rates. MILESWEB is popular among Indian users for offering affordable and feature-rich web hosting. It's beginner-friendly and also supports local payment methods like UPI, which is super convenient. The customer support team is available through chat and phone, which users find helpful. It offers Ignite for $1.49, Elite for $2.49, Stellar for $4.49, and Alpha Cloud for $8.99. However, some people feel the website speed isn't the best for international visitors. Overall, HOSTSINGER is better for global performance and advanced tools, while MILESWEB is ideal for Indian users needing local support and consistent pricing.